Hello architects and engineers. So in this video we will going to add a mezzanine floor and we can make some ways to the clear span. Okay, let's start. We'll go to the basic dimensions tab and we'll select the type of the roof and the after type will be real. The width of the shed is 9 meters and the pitch is 5 degrees. Okay. Base spacing is 4.5 meters. Okay, so now we will go to the um, mezzanine floor and we'll give it a full width. We'll make first two bays and the rest of three bays will be clear span and open from the front side. So bay number two and it will be a full width. That's it. And now we will go to the walls and like this and front side and okay, we have to remove these three girds now. So go to the columns tab and check this option, internal girds, and as it's on the left side, so start from here like this, and we have to remove central columns. Yeah, so, or you can play around and add some doors at the front. It can be a roller door as well. You can change the dimensions and you can also give it some offset like this. And you can add some windows or you can export it to PDF. And on the floor plan you can see all the information of the walls have been implemented. The door size is now visible. Let's go to the elevations tab and you can see the mezzanine floor as well. Two ways. Well, that's it.